So I wanted to make a video today about integrity, and the importance of it. Your integrity is more important than your life, and I'm going to explain it to you. The reason your integrity is more important than your life is because it is your inspiration to others direct. If you are being yourself, right, whether in defiance, whether in compliance, whether in discipline, whether in achievement, whatever it is, if you maintain being yourself, it is the most admirable trait, because every human is trying to either be themselves or reach a state in which they can be themselves. The reason I'm pointing this out is today I had a lose. I've been having a lot of wins, but today I had a lose. And it's a lose which I'm going to have because I am myself, you know? And I'm not going to be anyone else, and I'm not going to compromise with you to make you feel important that I am myself. The essence of manners is to grant another person importance, and I get it. But I'm not going to grant you so much importance that I compromise myself, do you understand? I'm very big on honor and very big on integrity. So essentially, I've been doing a sales challenger, sales competition, right? And in essence today, because I have no problems or I have no misunderstandings between the definition of marketing, which is not hands-on, and sales, which is hands-on, I was engaging in sales. Seems the program was supposed to be more mild and was actually supposed to be marketing rather than sales. But what I did was, I went to the outlet that I was selling for and I just asked, what is your stock? Because there is a lethality to anything that I am trying to do. There is an intent. It is not a messing about. It is not a, if I'm trying to sell something, I'm trying to sell that thing until it is gone. Nothing else. Now, because I have such standards, it makes it such that it's almost like it's too much aggression, because I'm not a non-salesman, I'm an actual salesman. In fact, I consider my greatest power not photography, not anything other than sales. As much as I keep it dormant until I can have a good thing to sell, my greatest power is in fact sales. It is a willingness and a freedom to grab someone and say, hey, listen, I want you to buy this. It's going to be good for you, or it's not going to be good for you, but I want you to buy it. Do you see? And also the honesty with which to do this. You see, if it is not something, if it is something that is not good for you, should be that I tell you that this is not good for you. I say, this is a donut, it's got sugar, it tastes great, but it's not good for you, have it. Should be that I should be able to make a sale. But the essence of it is willingness to reach and willingness to control another person into buying. Yeah? Willingness to transfer your idea from you to them. So what I did was, today I sold, or not like just in today, like over the past whatever period, I helped to market and to sell such that the stock ran out, 2 stocks ran out for shops that I was marketing for and directly selling, like, you know what I mean, telling someone, listen, go and buy that. The final sale to run out the stock today was, I told my uncle, hey, listen, there's these roll-ons, there's 4 of them left. Buy them just because I asked. It's gonna make me able to win my competition. The stocks are sold out, but what happened was, it was deemed a security threat or a security risk or a violation of some kind that I was checking these stocks, and I was given a communication from the management of the brand that I am marketing and being an ambassador for. I was told that I was told that I shouldn't have checked the stocks. What right do I have to check the stocks? Do I have a reference number, so on and so forth? I'm not sure what it is. I was very plain with them and blatant, and I told them, listen, I'm a model in the Misters of Zimbabwe competition. Yeah, I am selling for you, but I'm not a salesman. Of the screenshot and everything. I don't know what mistake was made, but somehow it turns out that after I checked the stock, I'm being attacked for checking the stock, and apparently it's a fuss of some kind. I'm not sure if they've been robbed before by someone who claims to be from them and then takes the stock. But I'll tell you what, one must also observe the obvious. Understand that I came and I showed you what I did. I showed you that no, I checked the stock. That's how I know that it's almost finished, right? And it's almost finished because of my actions. Yes, there are other people's actions, but my actions are definitely in there because there's 16 units of this or more that I've sold directly, but I know definitely 16 units. So I understand that I'm uncompromising, meaning I'm not going to pander to you if I have helped you. And I understand that one must feel important, but the idea is I must not take away from my own importance, my own ability, and my own achievement because I'm trying to make you feel important. There's a limit to the manners that I'm willing to give. No bending, no bowing, no kneeling beyond a particular point. And this is an integrity point. It could mean that I then lose the challenge, but it only means that I lose the challenge, God damn it. And I can have that. But what I know is I did a stellar performance of selling out the stock, and that was my target. If you're a smart shop, what you'll do is recognize the sale and perpetuate the sale. If you're not a smart shop, what you'll do is you'll introvert on the cycle that it took to make the sale. The choice is up to you. But I've been Veneka the whole time, and I'll tell you what, there is zero stock at Family Choice FMG of the body spray and the roll-on, because I did it.